Hey everybody, I just wanted to record a introduction to this new video tutorial series I'm going to make this semester, where I'm going to cover scenarios that I think every game designer ought to be able to prototype. So these will be things like triggering events, camera movements, opening doors, switches, highlighting interactive objects, displaying contextual button prompts. These are all basic elements that I think are used a ton across a whole variety of game design scenarios. So normally I would use a first person character controller for class because it's a little easier. You don't have to deal with animation and some of the nuances of a third person camera. But this semester I'm going to try third person just to give us more opportunities to explore those things that I normally want to skip because they're tricky. Um, but we'll be able to use Unity's Cinemachine, which is pretty convenient, and that'll help alleviate a lot of this pain. And also, we'll use a lot of the animations on Mixamo, which is also pretty useful and handy. So, anyway, that's the overview. Third person character controller, where we're going to go through a lot of basic scenarios that you would come across in prototyping game ideas. All right, I'll see you in the next video.